Hi, I am Angela C. Pacheco, grade 12 STEM student from Mother of Mercy Academy. Now I'm going to give 3 examples of uncommonly used Filipino words. Una, badhi. Lines on the palm of one hand. Halimbawa, binasa ng manghuhula ang aking kinabukasan. Pangalawa, kabtol. Change the position, direction, or focus of. Halimbawa, pinagkabtol niya ang kanyang marka upang mas tumaas siya kay Ana. At ang panghuli ay God, formal or polite term of foreman. Halimbawa, nagbigay ng pasulit si God Garrido kanina. At yun ang 3 halimbawa ng uncommon used Filipino words.